Girl April. I'm coming to you with a short video on how to do your greenhouse effect challenge. Right now I'm on my 14th day, so 2 weeks it's gone by, and I want to show you how to do the greenhouse with a protective style. So what you're going to need is a spray bottle of water. Actually, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put hot water to kind of open up my pores a little bit better. And then you're going to need your favorite oil. Today I'm going to be using castor oil, and then you're also going to use a moisturizer, and I'm using As I Am Pear Milk. So, alright. And I'm just filling up my water bottle. Alright. And you're also going to need shower cap. So, alright, so here we go. So, right now I'm just wearing my hair in a protective style. It's just twists with, you know, that are just pinned up. And then I just have this one right here pinned up. So, alright, so you just mist your hair. You don't want to soak it. You just want to mist it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I just do that to get the cold water out. Okay. Okay, that should be good. And then you're going to take the moisturizer. And it's okay if your hair looks a little white after this, because you're gonna wrap your hair and go to sleep. And then when you wake up, your hair is gonna feel a little bit moist, and you just let it air dry. And the reason for doing this like this is because you want to allow your pores to open up as much as possible. And if you have a shower cap and your hair is moist, then your pores are going to open up, and it's going to allow your hair to accept as much moisture as possible. And I need a bobby pin for this one, because it's coming out. And then I just repin this. Whoops, my bobby pin's acting crazy. I'm just going to spray it a little bit more. It does still feel a little bit dry, so. Okay, that should be good. So just a little moist, you should feel. And then you don't have to put too much moisturizer, but whatever you like. And how I'm doing the greenhouse is about every 3 to 4 days I've been doing this at night. So, and then you're just going to take your oil to lock in the moisture. So basically this is almost like the lock method. And then you just put it all over your protective style, however you're wearing it. You don't absolutely have to take your hair out. Some people may feel more comfortable doing that, but still the effect is going to still work. So, and then I'll probably post some pictures on this so you can see how my hair looks the next morning. What I've been doing is wearing it in a protective style for however long, and then I will take it out and wear it in curly afro. And the effect that I've been getting is that the afro is very moisturized without being like dry looking. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't feel dry. This has been helping me maintain a lot of moisture lately. So, alright, I'm just going to put a little bit more oil on my edges. Castor oil is really good for regrowing your hair back. So, massage my edges. And also, you didn't see it, but I put peppermint. Peppermint is also another oil, essential oil that I use in my hair oil. And then you just take your little baggie, place it over your head. And then you're going to get a scarf, tie your hair, and then go to bed and wake up the next morning. That's simple. So, hope you enjoyed my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Deuces.